Shopify, how to give access to developer. So right here from the left hand side, we will go to settings, and after we have chosen the settings option, we will go to users and permissions. Now I have previously requested access from another account here. So as you can see, NetHelp account pending. I have a video on how a person can request access, but basically NetHelp is requesting access to your store. If you don't recognize this collaborator, you can reject, but we want to click on review request, and it's going to look like this, and it's going to show us all of the permissions that the person has requested as well here. And they will be able to see all of this information here as well. And if you want to give them access, you will simply click on accept request, and now this person has officially been approved and they can access our Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.